Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to win on Aviator on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you type it in, press enter, and you'll get to this web page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this button where it says sign up. Once you have your account, click on this login button, and it will take you to this login page. In this page, you'll have to enter your login credentials, like your username and your password. Once you enter that, click on this login button. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this link where it says forgot password to reset it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, on the top bar, click on this option where it says Casino. Once you get to this page, click on this Aviator game. Once you open it, you'll see an interface just like this. Now, to play this game, first, you'll have to deposit some amount into your account. Once you do that, you can place a bet by clicking on either this button or this button. Once you have placed your bet, all you have to do is cash out before the plane takes the flight. If you do it successfully, you will win the game, and if the plane flies away, you will lose. So, this is how you play it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.